Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to check if your account is suspended. To check if your account is suspended, let's start with the easiest method. First, tap open your application or visit the official website tiktok.com. Then make sure that you are logged in. Now tap on the inbox button. Here, tap on system notification. And here you will get notification about account suspension if you have any. Now let's go to another method to check if your account is suspended. Just tap on your profile icon located on the bottom right. Now tap on the three horizontal lines on your top right. Tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down and under support and about tap on support. Here tap on safety center. Tap on account status. And here it says your account is in good standing. That means your account is not suspended. If your account is suspended, it would have shown it right here. And that is how you check if your account is suspended or not. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.